Welcome to the ultimate luxury cars. The moment you step inside, the motorhome stops feeling like a vehicle and begins feeling like a private five-star residence. Inside the world's most expensive motorhomes, the living room becomes a private luxury lounge, designed to provide the comfort and elegance of a five-star residence anywhere in the world. Luxury is measured by the moments of comfort created around you, and every seat inside this mobile residence is designed for relaxation. Premium seating transforms the motorhome living space into a private lounge, where handcrafted materials and ergonomic design create unmatched comfort during every journey. The smartest luxury spaces are not only beautiful, they adapt perfectly to every lifestyle and every moment. Advanced furniture systems allow luxury motorhomes to transform their interiors, creating flexible spaces for relaxation, dining, entertainment, and everyday living. The greatest luxury is the ability to bring the world's most beautiful views directly into your living room. Panoramic windows transform every destination into a living artwork, allowing passengers to experience breathtaking landscapes without leaving their luxury sanctuary. Luxury is not only created by materials, it is created by the atmosphere those materials create around you. Advanced lighting systems allow luxury motorhomes to create personalized environments, transforming simple spaces into elegant and relaxing experiences. Why visit a luxury cinema when your private theater can travel with you anywhere in the world? Ultra-luxury motorhomes bring entertainment beyond traditional limits, offering private cinema experiences and premium technology wherever the journey takes you. The world's finest dining experiences are no longer limited to restaurants. Luxury can now travel with you. Inside an ultra-luxury motorhome, dining becomes a personalized experience where elegant design, comfort, and breathtaking locations come together at every meal. The most exclusive motorhomes are designed with one goal: to make every destination feel like a private five-star hotel. The finest motorhomes redefine travel by bringing the atmosphere of a luxury hotel suite wherever the road leads. What if a world-class gourmet kitchen could travel with you, allowing every destination to become your private dining experience? Inside the world's most expensive motorhomes, the kitchen is more than a place to prepare meals. It is a fully equipped gourmet space designed for luxury living without compromise. The difference between an ordinary kitchen and a luxury masterpiece lies in the details that are handcrafted to perfection. Premium stone surfaces and handcrafted cabinetry showcase the exceptional craftsmanship behind every luxury motorhome, transforming everyday cooking into an elegant experience. A true luxury kitchen is judged not only by its beauty, but by the intelligent technology hidden behind every cabinet door. Premium appliances transform the kitchen into a complete culinary workspace, allowing owners to enjoy the comfort, convenience, and sophistication of a luxury home wherever they travel. The ultimate freedom of travel is having a private luxury bedroom waiting for you wherever the road ends. Inside an ultra-luxury motorhome, the bedroom becomes a private sanctuary, offering the comfort of a premium hotel suite combined with unlimited travel freedom. True luxury continues even after the journey ends, with a sleeping experience designed for complete relaxation anywhere in the world. Advanced mattress technology and personalized comfort systems transform the bedroom into a peaceful retreat, ensuring restful sleep wherever the journey takes you. In a true luxury residence on wheels, every personal comfort can be controlled with the touch of a button. Smart bedroom technology allows luxury motor home owners to personalize lighting, privacy, climate, and comfort, creating a perfect environment anywhere they travel. The ultimate motorhome does not simply provide transportation. It brings the comfort of a private luxury spa wherever the journey goes. Even the bathroom becomes a luxury retreat, featuring premium materials, advanced technology, and spa-inspired design inside the world's most exclusive motorhomes. When luxury follows you everywhere, even a remote destination can feel like a private five-star wellness retreat. Advanced shower technology brings spa-level comfort into a mobile residence, allowing travelers to enjoy luxury wellness experiences wherever the road leads. Behind every luxurious shower and elegant bathroom is advanced engineering that makes independence possible anywhere in the world. Advanced water systems allow luxury motorhomes to operate independently, providing the comfort of a modern home even in remote destinations. Every corner tells a story, because the world's most expensive motorhomes are designed as complete luxury residences, not simple vehicles. A luxury motorhome is carefully designed as one connected living environment, where every space flows together to create a complete premium lifestyle experience. The soul of a luxury motorhome is created through the materials you can see, touch, and feel. The finest motorhomes use exceptional materials and handcrafted details, creating an interior experience comparable to the world's most exclusive luxury residences. For the world's wealthiest travelers, Luxury is not something they buy, it is something created uniquely for them. Bespoke motorhomes allow owners to create a completely personal environment, choosing every detail from materials and layouts to technology and luxury features. A modern luxury motorhome is no longer just a vehicle, it is a smart home that moves with you. At the center of every advanced luxury motorhome is a smart control system that connects comfort, technology, security, and energy into one intelligent experience. With intelligent technology, luxury is no longer adjusted manually. It responds to your lifestyle, your mood, and your surroundings. Smart lighting systems allow passengers to create personalized environments, transforming the motorhome atmosphere for relaxation, entertainment, dining, or nighttime comfort. True luxury means perfect comfort in every environment, from freezing mountains to scorching deserts. Advanced climate systems create personalized comfort zones inside luxury motorhomes, maintaining the perfect temperature and air quality in every destination. In a luxury motorhome, privacy is not an option. It is an intelligent experience created instantly with technology. Smart glass and automated privacy systems give luxury motorhome owners complete control over their environment, combining openness, security, and comfort. A luxury residence that travels the world must protect everything inside, from valuable possessions to personal privacy. Advanced security technology allows luxury motor home owners to monitor, protect, and control their mobile residence from anywhere in the world. For today's luxury traveler, the world cannot be left behind. Connectivity must continue wherever the road leads. Advanced connectivity systems transform luxury motor homes into mobile offices, allowing owners to work, communicate, and stay connected from extraordinary locations. Luxury is not only what you see, it is also what you hear, surrounding you with a world-class entertainment experience. Premium audio and entertainment technology bring a cinema-quality experience into luxury motorhomes, creating unforgettable moments wherever the journey takes you. The next generation of luxury travel will not just respond to commands, it will understand your lifestyle. Future luxury motorhomes may use artificial intelligence to personalize comfort, manage systems, and create a smarter travel experience tailored to each owner. A luxury motorhome is a complete residence on wheels, and every luxury feature depends on a powerful energy system working silently behind the scenes. Behind every luxury motorhome is an advanced energy system managing power efficiently, ensuring comfort, technology, and independence wherever the journey goes. When luxury takes you far from traditional infrastructure, reliable power becomes the foundation of complete freedom. Advanced generator systems provide dependable power when needed, allowing luxury motorhomes to deliver residential comfort even in remote destinations. The future of luxury travel depends on storing energy smarter, allowing freedom without sacrificing comfort. Advanced battery technology is changing luxury travel, providing cleaner, quieter, and more efficient energy solutions for the next generation of motorhomes. The ultimate luxury is independence, the ability to carry your own energy and create comfort anywhere on Earth. Solar technology allows modern luxury motorhomes to generate clean energy, creating greater independence for travelers seeking comfort far away from traditional power sources. The next revolution in luxury travel will combine silent electric power with the comfort of a private 5-star residence. Electric motorhomes could redefine luxury travel with silent operation, advanced battery technology, and sustainable performance for future generations. The finest luxury experiences are created through details you feel, even beneath your feet. Luxury motorhomes use advanced comfort technology like heated floors to create a relaxing environment, even when traveling through the world's coldest destinations. Why should luxury end when the journey begins? In the world's finest motorhomes, every mile becomes a first-class experience. Advanced massage seats bring first-class comfort into the road journey, allowing passengers to relax while traveling across incredible destinations. The most extraordinary motorhomes do not simply provide comfort, they create emotions and unforgettable moments. Luxury features like designer fireplaces and premium audio systems transform a motorhome into a peaceful retreat where every journey feels extraordinary. For those who demand the finest lifestyle, even a journey through the wilderness can include the elegance of a private luxury lounge. Luxury motorhomes bring 5-star hospitality on the road, featuring premium wine storage and entertainment spaces designed for unforgettable experiences. The ultimate luxury is having complete control over your personal space, wherever your journey takes you. Smart glass technology creates instant privacy and breathtaking views, allowing luxury motorhome owners to personalize their environment wherever they travel. For true automotive enthusiasts, the ultimate luxury is not choosing between a dream home and a dream car. It is taking both anywhere in the world. Some ultra-luxury motorhomes include private garages, allowing owners to bring their most valuable cars along on extraordinary journeys. For automotive collectors, the greatest adventure is not leaving their favorite car behind. It is bringing it along for the journey. Some luxury travelers carry their most treasured supercars with them, combining the freedom of a motorhome with the excitement of exotic performance. Luxury adventure is not limited to four wheels. The best motorhomes are designed to carry every passion beyond the road. Advanced storage systems allow luxury motorhomes to carry motorcycles and adventure equipment, creating endless possibilities for exploration beyond the highway. The ultimate luxury is not only reaching beautiful places, it is having the freedom to explore beyond where ordinary vehicles can go. Adventure-focused luxury motorhomes combine premium living with expedition capability, allowing travelers to explore remote destinations without sacrificing comfort. Moving a luxury residence on wheels requires engineering excellence, because true comfort begins with the way it travels. Advanced suspension systems allow luxury motorhomes to deliver exceptional comfort and stability, creating a smooth journey even on challenging roads. Behind every luxurious journey is advanced safety engineering designed to protect passengers with confidence and control. Advanced braking and safety technologies provide the confidence needed to control a massive luxury motorhome while protecting passengers on every journey. The greatest luxury vehicles do not simply move forward. They make every kilometer feel effortless. Luxury motorhomes are engineered for effortless cruising, combining stability, comfort, and quiet operation to transform long journeys into premium experiences. The ultimate freedom is reaching places where ordinary luxury cannot go, while bringing every comfort with you. Off-grid luxury motorhomes combine advanced technology with self-sufficient systems, allowing travelers to experience remote destinations without giving up comfort. True freedom comes from independence, the ability to live comfortably for days or even weeks away from traditional facilities. Advanced water and resource management systems give luxury motorhomes the ability to travel farther, stay longer, and maintain residential comfort in remote locations. The world may become more remote, but luxury travelers never have to become disconnected. Satellite technology and intelligent navigation systems allow luxury motorhome owners to stay connected, informed, and confident even in the most remote destinations. The most exclusive motorhomes are not simply purchased. They are designed, engineered, and handcrafted around the owner's vision. Bespoke motorhomes are created through a combination of design, engineering, and craftsmanship, transforming each vehicle into a unique luxury residence. In the world of ultra-luxury, every owner wants something different, and every detail can become a personal signature. From floor plans to materials and technology, bespoke customization allows luxury motorhomes to become a true reflection of their owner's personality and lifestyle. Behind every million-dollar motorhome is a world of engineering, craftsmanship, and specialized manufacturing. Building a luxury motorhome requires advanced engineering and skilled craftsmanship, combining automotive technology with the art of creating a premium living space. A million-dollar motorhome is not just a vehicle. It is a combination of engineering, craftsmanship, technology, and a completely personalized lifestyle. The price of an ultra-luxury motorhome reflects advanced engineering, premium materials, customization, and the ability to create a private world that travels anywhere. For a select group of people, the greatest luxury is not owning a destination. It is owning the freedom to take their lifestyle anywhere. Ultra-luxury motorhomes are designed for those who value privacy, flexibility, and extraordinary experiences, turning travel into a personalized lifestyle. The future of luxury travel may redefine the meaning of driving, transforming the journey into a personalized experience where technology takes control. Future motorhomes may combine autonomous driving, artificial intelligence, and luxury living, allowing passengers to enjoy the journey like never before. A luxury motorhome is more than a vehicle, more than a house, and more than a journey. It is the freedom to experience the world without limits. The ultimate luxury motorhome represents freedom without boundaries, combining technology, craftsmanship, comfort, and adventure into one extraordinary mobile world. If you enjoyed this cinematic luxury review, please like, subscribe to Ultimate Luxury Cars, and press the bell icon so you never miss our next masterpiece.